More on that coming up. We're on the other end of the scale. Light winds. You can see all that marine cloud cover in there. We do have some significant south swell. We'll talk about that because that's from a tropical system. This is San Luis Obispo, and you can imagine from a day of gray, the numbers are on the lower side. 65 Santa Maria, 64 San Luis, 62 Paso, 68 Lompoc, 67 in Santa Barbara. The winds currently a little bit out of the southwest, 9 San Luis, 7 Paso, northwest in Santa Maria, Lompoc, and Santa Barbara, but all of them under 15 miles per hour. So again, big reduction on temperature today. 71 Santa Barbara, 61 Hearst Castle, 78 Cuyama, 66 Goleta, and 67 in Morro Bay. Paso Robles just 66, 69 Pismo Beach, 68 San Luis, 73 Santa Maria, and 69 in Lompoc. Tomorrow, gray again, perhaps not quite as cool, a little bit better in the way of clearing later on in the day. That's what our model is showing us here. But yeah, patchy drizzle possible again overnight tonight and into early tomorrow. Again, by noon, we're going to start to see that cloud deck break up. And by later Thursday into Friday, the winds go offshore. The weekend's going to be brighter and significantly warmer. Temperatures absolutely jump on Friday for some. It'll be close to a 10-degree jump. Here's what's going on. Sergio now, the big area of high pressure has moved off, and now this system is going to turn back and head into Baja, Mexico. You can see here on the forecast as we get into tomorrow afternoon, tropical storm moving this direction. We're too far away. We have our own little area of low pressure here, which again is causing some of that mist and drizzle we're seeing. Beach hazard statement because of former Hurricane Sergio, a lot of energy in the water, 6 to 8 foot surf. That hazard statement in place through Friday at 6, and plus, we get a pretty significant morning tide of about 5.5 to 6 feet, so localized erosion possible. Hurricane Michael, that eye right now, winds 90 miles per hour, Category 2. It is racing across central Georgia here. But again, power outages, really big time rains for some, going to be the major concern. There's still some surge moving in here to places like the Panhandle. So this system is far from done because it will track into the Carolinas. And again, not even a month has gone by since that area got hit by Florence. It hasn't completely dried out. I don't think this is a heavy rain system. It is going to be a very windy system, and it's off the coast by the time we get into Friday. So for Paso Robles tomorrow, temperatures do recover back into the middle 70s. Santa Maria upper 60s. Again, a lot of gray cloud cover early, and that's going to hold temperatures back. But when the clouds clear, the temperatures will jump. We just don't have a lot of the day to go after that happens. Trough across the west lifts into this big ridge for the weekend, and that ridge lasts into next week. So temperatures stay in the mild to warm side through Wednesday. Here's a look at the forecast. Again, tomorrow still a little gray, 74 Paso, 70 Santa Barbara, 68 Lompoc, and San Luis Obispo. Gray at least early because I do like better clearing than we saw today. 71 Santa Ynez, Cuyama, and Los Alamos, 68 in Orchid. Beaches on the cooler side, low to mid 60s. Away from the beach, a little warmer than that, closer to 70 degrees. And again, North County still struggling in the 70s. But a big jump on Friday. Temperatures returning to 78 degrees in Santa Maria. Temperatures through the weekend into the middle 70s. South Coast as well. Paso Robles temperatures mid 80s for the upcoming weekend. Mid 70s San Luis Obispo. And we're back right after this.